Welcome to day 8 of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios, where you can find new bundles at huge discounts added every day until the 1st of June. Today's bundles are great for kids and adults alike, with our first offer of a superb collection of 7 6x6 packs of patterned, foiled, mirror and pearlescent card in magnificent colour palettes. This collection is available at an incredible 75% off the retail price, down to just $13.98. Next is a huge glitter, confetti and sequin bundle with 16 pots in total in charming colours, available for you at an exclusive 70% off to just $19.15. We have an essential glue bundle full of reliable and durable glues, including funky sticks in 2 sizes, available at a special 50% off to just $2.62. We have a kids collection of scissors next, with 2 blunt tip scissors in assorted colours at 60% off, along with a 12 pack of cush grip pointed tip and 12 pack of blunt tip scissors in 2 bundles at 80% off. And finally, we have a Bunting Die Set bundle that includes 3 fun die sets that bring the celebratory vibes. So get yourself 70% off these 3 fantastic sets now at just $11.67. That's your day 8 deals. As always, these are limited edition bundles, so check back daily to avoid missing out on the best deals Tonic USA has to offer.